Damn, man, I got bad news, y'all. Man, fucking box Chevy down.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
What it do, gang, man? It's your boy Doinks, man. I'm back with another video. I'm pissed off, man. I'm smiling, but damn, this is how I started the video. But I'm pissed off, man. Let me tell y'all why. So I'm leaving work. Yesterday I dropped my car off, right? Dropped my box Chevy off. You know what I'm saying? Getting it tuned. I'm excited. But at the same time, trying to figure out, you know, what's going on with my car. Basically, it's just my injectors was clogged up. You know what I'm saying? It just need cleaning out. Nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Motor fine, motor run good. Even the guy said, he was like, man, the guy did a good job. You know what I'm saying? Putting the motor in. Like I said, there's no flaw. There's not nothing wrong with the motor or nothing like that. It's just the fuel injectors was clogged up. So he texted me and told me that. So he said, man, the car running perfect. I done tuned it and you know, it's better now. This what it was. And needed, you know, that's when he was driving the car. I even heard the pipes and shit like that. So he was like, you know, he finna go back to the shop. And I said, you soon, you know, I get off, I'm gonna pay you, go like that. Man, I get another call from him. I'm like, okay, well, he probably gonna ask me to meet him such and such, or, you know, I really don't know what he was gonna ask. But anyway, he called back. He said, man, have your car ever something with the transmission? I said, oh no. So what it was, he put it in drive and it acted like it didn't want to go. Whenever I had that transmission leak, man, I end up, you know what I'm saying, put the little rubber grommet thing on there, put that in there, I fixed it. Boom, no problem. I mean, done deal. Messed around, put it in drive, it'll like, woo, it'll jump. It don't go right then. So I'm like, what the hell? So in my mind, I'm like, damn, I feel like my transmission probably slipping. That's how I feel, like it was slipping. So it did me like that, but then it wasn't doing it no more. When he said it, I was like, yeah, I remember that. He said, well, man, this time it snapped your axle broke. I'm like, what? Bruh, this man said my axle broke. I'm like, ain't no way. So basically when he put it in drive, I'm guessing he was trying to, he said it was a car was coming and it was already kind of fogged. So I'm not sure if he noticed the car can see him or not. So as he kind of trying to rev up the engine while I was in drive, I'm thinking that he probably thought it was gonna like slowly go, but it snapped. And snapped and broke. Man, when he told me that, bro, I was like, the way when he said pow, I'm thinking a damn car done hit my car. Man, bro, my damn heart dropped. The axle just broke. I was waiting for him to finish his sentence. I'm thinking he was gonna say, it snapped, pow, the axle broke, and then the car hit me. But you know, luckily it was just the axle broke. So I told him take it apart and look and kind of see what. He told me he took it apart. He can see the piece still over there in the gears area that's stuck in there. So he can't slide the gear back, the axle back in, because it's hitting the piece that broke. So they're gonna have to take the cover off and remove the leftover piece, whatever, and then put the new one in there, bam. But he's not an expert doing that, so I gotta get it towed. Luckily he got a trailer, so I'm gonna get it towed from his shop to my house. Now I was gonna take it to somewhere else to get it done. Luckily my cousin came through. He said he'll help me do it. So in my mind I was thinking like that was gonna be something hard, but you know, my cousin, he do a lot of that stuff, so it's more easier to him. So man, we're gonna get that taken care of. So hopefully, I'm praying this weekend I'll be rolling. Hopefully we can go and get a damn axle out of one of these cars and shit like that. But it's like it's one thing out of another, man. You know what I'm saying? Like next, my damn tires gonna fucking, I'm gonna have a gash in my tires. You know what I'm saying? There's always something, you know, but it's life though. I understand that shit happens, you know what I'm saying? I'm not mad. It just, I'm so used to when I fix one thing, it's another one. I fix that, it's another. I'm used to it now. But now I'm getting tired and fed up with being used to something that's keep happening, keep breaking. And I understand there are old cars, but damn, what else? Like that shit'll break you, you know what I'm saying? But what the? Come on, man, these people go, man. Show y'all how to drive. Show y'all how to drive. You don't know what to do. All right, now, so we pulling up to the crib, man. Man, I hope I know what these dang tires are. That way I ain't got a goddamn, I can go straight and get them. Yeah, let me see what I can find. Y'all got your 212 box, man. $80. Y'all know somebody that want it. It's a coupon. Man, I hope I found my damn wheels. It's not even one wheel though. Where is my Chevy wheels? Chevy wheels, Chevy wheels, Chevy wheels. This tire is, I know that's not my favorite. Did I put them on that 69? Damn. Fuck. I know where the fucking tire at. Fuck. Damn. Shit. I'm gonna have to probably take them two fucking tires. Fuck, man. Sorry, y'all. Excuse me, cause man, I'm just having a rough day. Fuck around. Put them damn factors on the fucking 69. Swung on the 69. It's fucked up. Damn. Damn. Okay. Let me find bricks, something. Set this car on. Alright. This should be it. Let me see, I shouldn't need nothing else. Alright, guys. Let's go. Okay. So guys, we moving, man. Man. Y'all, so these my old food rail, man. I'm here now. This axle right here, I don't want to take it loose, but this whole damn thing will slide out, man. So I have to put the what's names in there. Let me crank this thing over. Dang, she sound better. Yeah, she sound way better. Yeah, man. Damn, my tire. Let me get the other tire. Oh shit, I need that. Yeah, I have to put the other back tire on, y'all. So there she is, man. Serious, there she is. We finna go and get it. Alright guys, man, we're gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Y'all stay tuned. What's supposed to happen. I had to end this video right here. Like I said, man, y'all new to the channel. Y'all subscribe, y'all comment. Do everything, man. Y'all just, hey, tune in with your boy, man. We got LSY, man. We got box Chevys, man. We got everything. We just trying to do it big. Y'all got some ideas, man. Y'all can let me know. Y'all comment down below. Let me know. We just reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank y'all for the support and the motivation. We're gonna keep going, but like I said, man, we're gonna stop this video right here. Y'all subscribe and y'all turn the post notifications on for the next video, man. See what we doing to the box here, man. I'm out.
Yo, Doing Lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban